Question group instruction tasks. Option A. Required progressively more difficult discriminations. Option B. Required progressively less difficult discriminations. Option C. Required no discrimination until task 3. Option D. Required discrimination in tasks 1 and 2 only. The correct answer is option B. Question. The group instruction tasks involved several discriminations in a particular order. Select the order that the tasks followed. Option A. Auditory discrimination, auditory visual discrimination, successive conditional discrimination. Option B. Auditory visual discrimination, auditory discrimination, successive conditional discrimination. Option C. Successive conditional discrimination, auditory visual discrimination, auditory discrimination. Option D. Auditory discrimination, auditory discrimination, auditory visual discrimination. The correct answer is option B. Question. The 4 domains of ABA should be: Option A. Practiced separately. Option B. Integrated. Option C. Used within service delivery. Option D. Inform EB. The correct answer is option B. Question. The best way to perform a direct assessment might be to: Option A. Interview the client. Option B. Interview the client's teachers. Option C. Observe the client in his classroom. Option D. Take ABC data on the client's behavior in an observation room. The correct answer is option C.